When fellows start in DCEG, right away I'm working with them, and their mentors are working with them to think about what their next steps are. What are their goals? What would they like to achieve when they're here?
I came to DCEG to hone and refine and potentially gain new epidemiologic skills in terms of telling a powerful story that's relevant to public health practitioners.
What tools am I going to need to accomplish those goals?
There's support from the Office of Education within the division, at the institute level, and then across the NIH. There are training programs around grant writing,
skill development seminars, leadership workshops, mentoring days, poster days, the NIH Research Festival, funds for presenting your work at a scientific meeting.
Analytical skills, strong communication skills.
And also how to communicate effectively.
And luckily for you, you guys are all getting to use those skills almost every day. So
I'm learning how to communicate the science and also gaining experience in building a public health super team.
DCEG is a world leader in cancer epidemiology and genetics research.
So you're surrounded by world-class researchers, experts in almost every area around cancer epidemiology.
Some of the best and brightest from across the country and around the world.
So for a young person to start out here is an excellent beginning to a career.
I love working with so many incredible fellows, some of the smartest people I've ever met, and it's so exciting to see them achieve what they set out to achieve in making it to that next step in their career.
My plans after DCEG is to still be within the field of health services research, but now I feel like I can ask more impactful public health questions.
Later this year, November, December, I'm hoping to defend my dissertation.
Well, I'm pursuing an MPH because I want to work towards health equity and reduce cancer health disparities when I do my PhD, possibly coming back here to the home team.
Our fellows, as they move on in their careers, take what they learn here, take those skills with them, and make a difference around the globe.
Now becoming doctors and biotech professional and faculty in academia.
Making their own way as independent scientists, and that's what I found to be so rewarding and I'm most proud of.
I second that.
You guys are our future. It's you all who are going to do the next generation of exciting science.